Three best app you need as a content creator. Three best app you need as a content creator. 1. CapCut. The oga patapata of them all. This. You need this app for the thumbnail. I know. We all know this app. It is your Google. You can go on your Play Store. Type this name. You see it. I don't want to mention the name. Just type the name. You see this app. This app will do everything for you. This app will give you niche. This app will also give you thumbnail. You know, thumbnail is hard to create, but this app will give you the thumbnail. The name, they write it there. I am not going to mention the name, but I have already mentioned this particular one for you. But this particular one, I want the serious people to tell me the name of this, to tell me what this is used for. But you see this particular app, go and search it on your Play Store or your Apple Store and download it. After downloading it, come and thank me later. These are the two apps you really need as a content creator. This for your thumbnail and this as your editing app. There are so many editing apps, yes, but I prefer this as an upcoming content creator. And the link of the Pro, the CapCut Pro, the link will be in the comment section. The link of this app, this particular app, will be on the comment section. The link of this particular app will be on the comment section for the Pro, because don't download it on Play Store. If you are downloading it on Play Store, if you are downloading this app on Play Store, you are not that one on Play Store. You are not going to get all features. You are not going to get all features. But if you are downloading it through the link that will be in the comment section, you are going to have all features for free. You are going to have all the features for free. You are going to have all the features for free. All the features that you are going to be needing on this app for free. Yes. And also, don't forget to follow me for more. You see, on my next video, I'll be telling you how I will be teaching you how you can be using this particular one. How you can be using this particular one. And how you can be using this particular one as well. How you can use this one to create your thumbnail and how you can use this one to edit. But this tutorial is the best app that you need as a content creator, as an upcoming content creator. My video is only for upcoming content creator like me. That is the reason why I am bringing this for you, so that upcoming content creators will see the particular tool they need. These are the two tools you need. And also, there are two, and also called app. As a content creator, we call it tool. As a normal people, we call it apps. They are apps. And for content creator, then we call it tool. This is the tools that you need as a content creator. Yes. And also, don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget, you see this notification bell? This notification bell, you need to turn it on. You need to turn this notification bell